Okay, in the previous video, I showed this Java code working, but I forgot to do one step before I got it working. So if I run this code, this is saying no suitable drivers. And what you need to get this to work is the jars that were made by the Derby, made by ApacheDerby for this particular database. So if you're accessing data from MySQL, you need the MySQL jars. Oracle, the Oracle jars. Sybase, you need Sybase jars. So we need the jars specifically for Apache Derby. Now to find these jars, if you've installed Java on your machine, in our case we installed Java 8, within this directory, the JDK, then the DB folder, and then the lib folder, you'll see a list of jars. Now you need about 4 of these jars, and let's get them into our project. So I'll click here and focus on the project. Make sure you can see the project. Right click and I'll create a folder called lib. Then what I'll do is then go after certain jars. So we need Derby, Derby client, Derby run, Derby net. I'll then just drag it to the folder here. Click on OK. I want the copy of the file. Here are the here are the jars. Now this jar is in a directory. It's not part of the build path or the class path right now. So right now if I still run this, Java will not like it because Java can't find these classes. What I will then do next is highlight all the jars, click on add to build path, and now this is in the path of Java, in the class path. If I then run this application, we have data. So again, for any database that you are using, you have to get the jars specifically for that database so you can actually run and execute the code. With that, that's it for connecting to the database. With that, good luck and good coding.